Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, especially for Dr. Anisha. So today we are from Group 7 from CFAP 2293B. We'll do our presentation on finance in construction industry. Before we go further, let me introduce my group member. First, I am Muhammad Azim bin Aziz. Next, we have Muhammad Iqbal bin Awaludin. And the last one is Nurul Ain Li. In the construction industry, financiers refer to the strategic management and allocation of financial resources to ensure the successful planning, execution, and completion of a construction project. It involves budgeting, cost estimation, funding, and financial risk assessment to optimize the use of funds and achieve project objectives within established financial constraints. The objective of financial management in the construction industry is to ensure the successful and financially sound completion of the construction project, meeting the expectation of the stakeholder while optimizing the use of financial resources. Based on the previous study by Kankari and Novin on the impact of the financial factor to the failure of the construction project, bad financial management and the lack of capital are identified to be the main determinants of the construction failure. Thus, it means the poor financial management in the construction industry can lead to the variety of negative consequences that impact the success and sustainability of the project and the overall business. Some of the consequences of the bad financial management in the construction include cost overrun, cash flow issue, project delay, financial instability, legal and regulation consequences, increased financial risk, reduced profit margin, damage to reputation, limited access to funding, decreased employee morale, and loss of stakeholder confidence. So, to mitigate these consequences, it is crucial for construction company to prioritize effective financial management practice. Okay, now we are going to see who involved in the finance for the construction industry. In the construction industry, the primary responsibility of the finance typically lies with the chief financial officer or the finance department at the organization level. The CFO is a senior executive who oversees the financial strategy and management of the entire construction company. They work closely with other departments and project teams to ensure financial health, compliance, and strategic alignment. Together, they handle a range of financial functions including budgeting, financial planning, accounting, and financial reporting for the entire organization. While the CFO and the finance department have operational responsibility, it's important to note that various individuals and departments within the construction company also play a key role in financial management. For example, project manager, quantity surveyor, estimators, risk management team, procurement department. Thus, from all the information, we can say that the Chief Financial Officer, CFO, and the Finance Department hold the primary responsibility for financial management in the construction industry. They play a pivotal role in setting the overall financial strategy, ensuring compliance, and maintaining the financial health of the organization. While other roles such as project manager, quantity surveyor, and estimator contribute to project-specific financial aspect, effective collaboration among this stakeholder is crucial for successful financial outcome in the construction project.
Finance plays a crucial role in the construction industry in Malaysia. So here are the 3 points that will explain the importance of finance in the construction industry in Malaysia. Number 1 is funding for construction projects. The construction industry requires significant funding to undertake projects, and this availability of financing options such as loans, grants, and equity investments is important for the industry's growth and development. And the government and private investors also play an important role in providing funding for construction projects. Next, the second importance of finance in construction industry in Malaysia is financial planning and risk management. A proper financial planning and risk management strategies are essential for the success of construction projects. Construction projects are often face cost overruns due to unforeseen circumstances, design modifications, or other factors. Effective financial planning and risk management can help mitigate these risks and ensure that the projects are completed within budget and on time. The third importance of finance in industry construction in Malaysia is payment and cash flow management. Payment and cash flow management are critical for the financial stability of construction companies. Delayed payments or cash flow issues can lead to financial distress and even bankruptcy. Effective payment and cash flow management strategies can help ensure that construction companies have sufficient funds to meet their financial obligations and continue their operation.
Types of finance in construction industry. There are a lot of types finance in construction industry, and one of them are: first, construction loans, specifically tailored to cover the costs associated with constructing a building or infrastructure. They usually have a short-term duration and are paid out in stages or milestones as the project progresses. Second, equipment financing provides loans for acquiring construction machinery and tools, enabling companies to access necessary equipment without large upfront costs. And lastly, investors, individuals or entities providing financial resources in exchange for ownership, returns or equity in construction projects or companies.
So what are the impacts of finance in the construction industry towards Malaysia? Number one is delay in construction projects. Every activity in a construction project is related to time and cost. Delay is considered common and often occurred in a construction project. A slight delay can be very costly. It will impact all the related stakeholders. The withholding of payment by the approval parties is the critical financial issues, while the main impact when the financial issues occur is when the project is delayed and postponed. The second impact of finance in construction industry is limited access to funding. Small and medium-sized construction firms are often struggle to obtain sufficient financing due to the banks perceiving the construction industry as high risk due to the factors such as project delays, cost overruns, and payment disputes. This limited access to funding can hinder the growth and development of smaller construction firms. The third impact of finance in construction industry is cost overruns. Construction projects in Malaysia are often face cost overruns due to the factor such as design modification or unforeseen circumstances. These cost overruns can strain the financial resources of contractors and may require additional funding beyond the initially allocated budget. If proper financial planning and risk management strategies are not in place, cost overruns can lead to financial distress and construction companies.
Benefits of finance in construction industry. First, improve cash flow, which is finance helps manage money effectively, ensuring there is enough for expenses and avoiding delays due to cash shortage. Next, handling unexpected situation. Financial planning prepares construction firms for unexpected challenges, enabling them to adapt quickly without disrupting project progress. Third, improvement in investment and technologies. Adapting advanced construction methods, utilizing new materials, and implementing digital tools for better project management, leading to improved efficiency and cost effectiveness. Lastly, gaining client trust. Effective financial management builds credibility, showcasing reliability to clients by delivering projects within budget and timelines.
In conclusion, effective financial management is essential in the construction industry for successful project outcome and overall business sustainability. On the other hand, poor financial management can have detrimental effects, including project delay, cost overrun, and limited access to funding. Therefore, prioritizing sound financial practices is crucial for sustained success and positive outcome in the dynamic construction industry. The strategic emphasis adopted by the construction company may vary, with some prioritizing their collective interests. However, the primary objective of incorporating finance within the construction industry is to systematically and effectively manage the budgetary planning and control processes through the project lifecycle, spanning from the pre-design stage to the post-construction stage. Okay, that's all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.